Let us talk about Helm. So Helm is a very interesting topic. So let us understand what is Helm. As we saw, to install a Kubernetes application, we need to deploy various YAML files. For example, we should have deployments.yaml, services.yaml, and going forward, as the applications will grow, you will require some other Kubernetes objects also, like stateful sets.yaml, config map.yaml, services already done, secrets.yaml, and some other objects. So how to maintain all these objects together? Like we need to currently we understood the process by which we can deploy all these YAMLs one by one and your application gets deployed. But there is another way to manage this thing, which is called as a Helm chart. So a Helm chart is a bundle of such YAML files created by someone and kept in a repository for reuse. Okay, so this is like a folder with so many YAML files, or a zip, a TGZ or a zip file of the same folder. So artifacthub.io is the largest public Helm chart repository on the internet. Just like Docker Hub is the largest public repository for Docker images, in a very similar manner, we have artifacthub.io, which is the Helm chart repository, public Helm chart repository. So let's check this repository. So this is artifacthub.io, and you can also create a simple free sign up here. Okay, so I have created my account. So here you can search Helm chart for any application. Remember, this is a public repository of the Helm charts. So any private Helm charts will not be visible here. So if you have a private data center and your application is an application which actually limited within your organization, then you have to create your own Helm repository. Okay. So for example, if I want to search any public Helm chart here, like let's say Prometheus. So Prometheus is a very famous alarm monitoring solution. Okay, FM and PM solution. So let me search. So you see there are various Prometheus Helm charts listed, but out of them, the first one is the official version. So this is the official version. Rest all are by somebody else, modified a little bit and uploaded here. So if I click on this Helm chart, so it will show me the versioning, the prerequisites, the repo info, how I can install it, which commands to use, how I can install the chart. Okay, so don't get confused with the chart. Chart here doesn't mean anything graphical. Chart means the bundle of YAML files. Okay, so all these details are written here. Okay, and this is the official badge by which it can be identified that yes, this is an official Helm chart. Okay. So let's go back to the slides. So this is a Helm chart, and to deploy this Helm chart, we have a tool in the Kubernetes cluster which is called as Helm Manager. So Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes, just like apt is a package manager for Ubuntu and yum or RPM for Hel. Okay, so for example, if you want to install a package in Ubuntu or install a package in RHEL, you just do a yum install or apt install space the package name. You do not install all the files of the package separately or individually. So the package manager will do that job on your behalf. Similarly, Helm is a collection of many YAML files, and what we do a Helm install space the Helm chart name, and in the background many YAML manifests were getting deployed via kubectl create-object file.yaml command. Okay, so assume you have so many YAML files here, object 1, 2, 3, 4 up to object n. Okay, and you do this, you launch this command Helm install and the chart name and the chart version. So what happens in the background, Helm will connect with the kubectl API and will deploy all these YAMLs present in that folder in the background. Okay. Finally, it do the same task which we were doing manually, but this will act like a manager for all the YAML files and install all the manifests together. Okay. So with Helm, we have something which is called as values.yaml, which is a very important file, and all the important values are mentioned in this file and referenced from here into the actual manifests. So we will see in the next slide like what I'm trying to say in this second line. Okay, so values.yaml is the key file in any Helm chart, and the command used to install any Helm chart is helm install and the chart name.